We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. I'll ask for in return for you to smash that like button, tell me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So in today's video, we're going to talk about Shiba Inu, why it's pushing upwards, and what is going on with the charts overall, and the data that has actually been the driver to hold this one up, and how many holders are actually right now holding Shiba Inu, because we are hitting new milestones every single day with the Shiba Inu community and the SHIB holders in total. But before we jump into it and all the data on Shiba Inu, I want to share with you guys the opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you trade stocks apart from crypto, you may want to check it out. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. Let's jump into all the things that we have to cover today, because you won't want to miss it. You're gonna love what I have for you guys on Shiba Inu. So the opportunities I mentioned this morning turned out to be realistic expectations. None of them went beyond a home run opportunity. One of them got really close, and even though the S&P 500 index continues to struggle to get back to all-time highs and possibly break through it in the near future, I will continue to look for opportunities through the volatility of the market, and this is something you can become part of as well by joining and clicking on the link down below in the description to the Discord. And these are the stocks I mentioned this morning: IO, ADMP, OYST, COMS. Every single stock gave 5 to 10% moves, 10 to 15%, but our best performer turned out to be IO, and we're going to look at that chart together. So IO didn't turn out to be a home run, but it nearly reached it. I mentioned it in the pre-market as it was pulling downwards, and at that lowest point of the day to the highest point of possibility, it gave 18% plus. This was not a typical dip and rip, but within that opportunity, there was multiple chances in the dips and the rips here, as you could see with 42 vision, to be able to catch the 5% to 10% move, but catching it from the lowest point to the highest point of possibility was an 18% plus move, nearly reaching home run territory at 20% plus. If this is something that interests you and you want to become part of, we strive for opportunities like these every single day, and you can join by clicking on the link down below in the description. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Shiba Inu, and it's been pretty bullish for the last several days, and like I stated, you're gonna love what I have to share with you guys, because things are becoming more and more evident on what really drives the Shiba Inu price upwards after a consolidation period and a true point of strength. And you could see here with 42 vision on the 30-minute, a complete shift happening here, right? From extreme weakness into extreme strength, pulled back down and continued finding strength. And if we go over to the 1 day, you will see how things are reversing, right? This was the pullback. This has been the reversal, and it seems to be pushing upwards. And there's a lot of people hyping up the fact that this could be on its way back up to 0 4s and a 3 to possibly break through the highest point of 0 4s and a 3.5 to then reach 0 4s and a 4, possibly even 0 4s and a 5, right? Way back up here, the highest point that this graph can show us that it reached back in May. This is going to be very interesting, these key levels, but what is it that is driving it, right? And we're becoming more interested in this information as Shiba Inu holders and Shiba Inu investors, because the SHIB coin is moving like never before every time this happens. Because one of the biggest things that created this movement, yes, further adoption, yes, that it got onto other platforms, made it to the Coinbase, the big whale, but the fact that no one knows who the big whale is, it could be anyone, right? It could be Elon Musk, it could go ahead and be Jeff Bezos, it could be some random billionaire, millionaire, right? What we just know so far is that it is a huge whale, and it could be an institutional investor for all that we know. But on the 30-minute, there has been some strength, and it's becoming evident why it gains strength and traction when these big moments happen, these big jumps from like this one right here at the lows of 4023 to highs here of 4029, almost reaching 4083. The first thing is that it is in the list, right? And it's losing traction on the most visited. On the most visited, it is in the top 15, number 12, and it used to be in the top 10. On trending, it's not even on the list. So what is it that makes Shiba Inu move like it moves? And it doesn't even have to be trending. It doesn't even get the most visited, right? It's in the top 15. It's not even top 10 anymore. What is it? Well, one of the main things that made it spike earlier this weekend is the Shiba Inu spikes 8% on fake news about Robinhood listing. And they go ahead and talk about why Robinhood is not planning on listing it anytime soon. And it pushed it up a little bit. But this is not really what pushed it. I just wanted to put that out there, that Robinhood said to list Shiba Inu to its platform source is not a real liable source right now, as stated based off of this article. That is not something that is confirmed. That is not something that is yet solid data. There's a lot of rumors, there's a lot of hype, and a lot of people are really waiting for Robinhood listing more than anything. Coinbase was a big move, and just the fact that Coinbase made that move, it says a lot. But for some reason, the Shiba Inu holders want Robinhood, and a lot of investors are on the sidelines that are really waiting for that Robinhood listing. That's what a lot of people did when Dogecoin was not on Robinhood, and once it got actually listed on Robinhood, the further adoption expand pretty quickly, and they debunked it and it made it lose those gains pretty quickly. But this is not what really is pushing the whole entire movement right now that we are seeing in the charts here. And this is becoming more and more evident every single time when we see things run. Yes, it pulled back down, but why did it continue? Why is it still going if that news got debunked? And everyone is expecting Robinhood eventually to add it. It's just not true that it's happening right now or anytime soon. Well, it has to do with the fact that Elon Musk tweeted, and we're going to talk about this tweet and what he meant by it, because it's super important, and he's starting to talk in even different hidden messages because it's very interesting. So the last time he tweeted about his dog Floki. Floki, Shiba Inu, and Dogecoin all ran up, and you could see Dogecoin feeling the effects of that tweet as well. Things are cooling off pretty quick, but it did run up as well. Why is it running? Why is it that he tweets and he makes these run? Well, he's usually talking about Shiba Inu, and anything that has to do with his dog or the name of his dog indirectly affects Shiba Inu and Floki, but he's really focusing on Dogecoin. The image is the Shiba Inu. It's almost like the mascot of Dogecoin is Shiba Inu. He called his dog Floki. I don't find it no rare coincidence that he called his dog Floki. He got a Shiba Inu, and then he has Dogecoin as well. I could imagine he's considering these other tokens, or it's just a coincidence. Very interesting stuff. But let's go ahead and look here at how Dogecoin makes a massive 11% move after the Musk tweet. So the Doge father, right? Elon Musk made a tweet yesterday that had an ASCI or 2 figure, right? Double I or 2 figure with large ears holding a rocket emoji in its hands. So this right here is the face. These are the ears. This is the hand, and that is the rocket. He tweeted that. Following the tweet, Dogecoin jumped tremendously. And not only did Dogecoin jump, also we have had Shiba Inu jump. Shiba Inu had double the catalyst. It had the fake news, unfortunately, about Robinhood. So I do want to clarify that so investors are not misled. And then obviously Dogecoin and the whole entire fact that this right here was tweeted, the rocket ship, and then all of a sudden has created an effect on Dogecoin community, Shiba Inu community, and Floki as well is probably moving. And when he posts his dog again and again and again, we will see the correlations, because it's becoming evident that the Dogecoin father, Elon Musk, has an impact indirectly in correlation to Shiba Inu and Floki apart from Dogecoin. And this is going to create even further adoption for the cryptocurrency itself. Now, when we come over here, I wanted to share with you guys how much the growth of Shiba Inu holders has been. And this is based off the 1 month, the 3 month. You could just see things are continuing upwards. And there was a little bit of consolidation here amongst the 725 to 727 range. And it's jumped up nearly 20,000 more Shiba Inu holders based off of the holding addresses, almost reaching 740,000. This is huge in total. This could continue to grow. Shiba Inu has over 1 million followers on Twitter, and that's a huge percentage of its following base on Twitter and different platforms that is actually holding the Shiba Inu, and the Shiba Inu holders is continuing to grow, guys. This is spectacular. I don't know if this is exciting to you guys, but the more SHIB holders are out there, the more adoption, the more expansion, and the more growth. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.